Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Revolutionize your online store with Shopify Features. Imagine a digital space where every click resonates with your brand's voice. A space where navigation becomes an engaging journey, and transactions are as secure as they are seamless. This is not just a vision, but a tangible reality, thanks to Shopify's features. With Shopify Features, your online store becomes an emblem of success and innovation that benefits from streamlined user experience, inventory precision, robust security, engaging marketing, and unique customization. So, are you ready to transform your e-commerce vision into a thriving digital storefront? Join us at Expect Best and let Shopify and its features be the driving force behind your online success. Click the link below, and let's craft the future of your business together.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.